Behind these three different elements, success isn't only possible, it's repeatable. This is my RBI framework that I'll be teaching over the next 3 days. It comes down to researching, back testing, and then implementing into bots. And when you make the right decision and decide to meet me in this 3-day trade bot challenge, I'll show you exactly how to automate your trading strategy. And if you don't have one, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to get hundreds of strategies. We have plenty of them written by PhDs and more. And I'll show you how to automate your trading right now. And I'm talking now, not like a year from now, but right now. If you don't know how to code, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to code. I did not know how to code either. Listen, I had one bot do over 200K for me, and I don't have some huge team or big unfair advantage. I'm standing here in a bedroom with a whiteboard behind me. I don't have employees. I don't have investors. I have no long-term obligations. I'm free as a bird. But I also don't have a Lambo or some fancy New York City office or a Miami office. I have a simple life. All I do is I code here live with you, and I show you everything I build. Just me, you, and the computer and the whiteboard behind me. So here's a quick story that I don't necessarily love to tell because it's a little embarrassing. But when I first got interested in automating my trading, I knew I had to learn how to code. And I was always super scared of learning how to code because I thought it was just for the brainiacs out there. But I knew in order to automate my trading, I would have to iterate to success. It would just be too expensive to hire a developer to like test, tweak. Anyways, I logged in for like 2 to 4 hours every day until I learned how to code. And I built my first bot. And then I put $10,000 of my hard-earned money into that bot. And I proceeded to lose every single dollar of it over the next 30 days. Yeah, so I lost 10 G's. No wonder I was losing money as a hand trader. I was trading a strategy, a broken strategy, that a bot couldn't even figure out. But that day, I developed my RBI framework, which I'll be showing you in this 3-day challenge, to ensure that I only run profitable trading strategies. My RBI framework is research strategies, then backtest those strategies to see if they worked in the past, and if they work in the past, then implement them with small size into a trading bot. Hey, I'm Moondev, and that day I developed a passion for trading bots and showing the RBI framework that I uncovered. You have to test your bots to see if they work in the past before you go ahead and throw 10K at them. If you can constantly research new trading ideas, then backtest those ideas to see if they worked in the past, and then take those that worked in the past and implement them into tiny bots. If you do that, you can't help but become a profitable algo trader. I'm just an independent trader from my bedroom who figured out a better approach to the market. And I believe code is a great equalizer. If you know how to code, you can build cash flow for generations, for the rest of your life. So the way I looked at automating my trading was this. I could learn all of this coding stuff. And best case scenario, obviously I'd have a bot that trades for me forever. But worst case scenario, I could just use my new coding knowledge and go get a job for 100K plus. That's a solid risk reward. And I know you're looking at your risk reward because you're a trader. Look, I know there's a lot of scammers out there. I want you to look me up. Google me, look on Trustpilot, type in Moondev, Algo Trade Camp. Look me up. You can see everything I'm saying is true. I have videos of every single piece of code I've ever written, all on YouTube. And that one that made me hundreds of $1,000s, that's on YouTube as well, dude. But just because it worked for me does not mean it's going to automatically just work for you. There's no plug and play. The number one rule of automated trading is never run someone else's bot. You have to understand what that bot does. Just like I got wrecked 10K on my first bot, how would you possibly know what somebody else's bot does? If there's like a plug and play bot out there, just run away. No one will ever give you a profitable trading bot. That's the number one way to spot a scam. If it's a plug and play bot, you know you're about to lose all your money. You see, I'm not the type of guy that's going to hype something up. I just try to transparently build what I think will make me money. Seriously, if you're skeptical at all, I I have over 1,300 hours of YouTube tutorials. You can go watch my YouTube forever. Get to know me. Come back, make a decision. I've even hosted some of the best quants in the entire world, like Christina Shi. She traded upwards of $7.1 billion per day. That's billion with a B. And Dr. Ernest Chan, I've had a great conversation that you can go watch on YouTube right now. He's one of the best algo traders of all time. You know Jim Simons? Rest in peace. Well, who's next? Ernest Chan. And I've been able to learn from him. I've even had the pleasure of interviewing some unnamed Renaissance employees to talk about strategy that Jim Simons and Renaissance actually used. And I'm not telling you all of this just to brag, but I'm telling you this because I want you to take it seriously because it could change your life. It's changed mine. Think about it. Who's one of the best traders of all time? Yeah, Jim Simons. He was the founder of Renaissance Technologies. What did Jim Simons do to trade better than anyone else? Yeah, he built trading bots that traded fully automatically. Even today, who's making all of the money on Wall Street? Yeah, the trading bot firms, dude. Google it. Google top trading firms. Who's going to show up? It's going to be like Two Sigma, Jane Street, AQR, D. Shaw, Renaissance, all algorithmic traders. Jim Simons died with a net worth of $31.5 billion. That's billion dollars, dude. All from automated trading. Because Jim was smart enough to realize there are patterns in the market that robots could trade and humans cannot. So he essentially executed his own RBI framework for years on end. And that's what I'm going to be showing you in this 3 day challenge. He once said, in a business like this, you have to just keep making things better and better and better. Essentially, always researching new strategies, then backtesting to see if those strategies worked in the past, and then implementing the winners into small bots. Jim executed his system of testing and deploying for years on end until he was hyper profitable. Look, Jim didn't just become a multi-billionaire. He changed bloodlines and created generational wealth for himself, of course, but also employees and investors. He returned over $100 billion in profits from 1988 to 2018. And he was able to give away $4 billion to charities. How cool is that? Imagine if you could have just a fraction of that impact. The sad truth. Yo, we got an error here, dude. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened with my chat, dude. Broken. He broke it. Are you guys still here? 777, dude. What's up to you? All right, so let's see what's going on with the crypto markets here for a second. And are we still here? Okay, we're still here. H. Freeman, thank you. Yo, Archflow, thank you, dude. The oak and the reed. Better to bend than break. Um, big lick here on BTC. So it looks like up and down. Mm. Oh, God. That's tough trade, dude. That's tough to trade. Brothers love one another, dude. Real, bro. So I'll be good vibed. Good vibes. I do have a couple things I need to go through here, so let me go ahead and handle that. Mm, uh, hey, you can check back next week, but for now, the boot camp has been closed. So if your membership has expired, it's kind of too late. Sorry. Rico, what's up, dude? Seven seven seven, dude. 777. Much love, much love. Thank you. Oh my god. What happened here, dude? Block XYZ. Revenue miss. All right, so damn, they fell heavy, dude. It's actually brutal. That, that's brutal, dude. What is the chat champs and how to win free boot camp? Honestly, I gotta delete that. I gotta just delete that because that was just an off the whim idea, dude.
Still to be happy about.
You're up 2-0.
Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. You could get the boot camp for free though, dude, if you want. Here's a good way to get the boot camp for free. Go to the Clips channel and essentially you just go here Where is that Clips channel at? Clips channel here. And you can clip up some of my videos, dude, to get into the boot camp for free. If you get enough, then you could get in for free. But if you don't, you don't. So I kind of want to look into this miss here. Like, how bad did they miss? Block shares fall on private revenue miss here. Block reported fourth quarter results on Thursday that fell short of Wall Street expectation. The stock dropped 6% in extended trading. Wow. Here's how the company did compared to the analyst consensus estimates from LSEG. 71 cents. Oh, they missed that big time. Oh, I guess not. 6.03 versus 6.29. Revenue increased about 4.5 from 5.77 a year ago. Block, formerly known as Square, posted 2.31 billion in gross profits, increase from 2.03 billion a year ago. The company, which was an early leader, interesting, dude. Told CNBC the product launch aims to provide customers with more credit options and positions Cash App as a banking alternative for customers. CEO Jack Dorsey said on earnings call that combining more services like Cash App and Afterpay, we have a huge base of Cash Card customers that we can deploy this to, he said. We can do that extremely quickly. It's easy to roll out for us and alert people proactively of entirely new utility that they could use that day instantly. I mean, that's facts, V. Let's go look at their financials here. So this is annual financials and they've been growing. Quarterly, let's check out quarterly here. Hmm. Yo, Mo, what's up, dude? How are you, bro? I also want to look into these top posts weekly here. Yo, what's good? Dr. Buddha 777, dude. So this one here has 5 stars. This one has 2 stars. 8 stars. 9 stars. 9 stars. I'm doing pretty good, dude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Glad things are going well over there. So I just want to double check these. So that's 2 stars here. Okay. 2 stars. This one here is 8 stars. This one's 9 stars here. So I'm gonna say this is a winner here. Copy message lake here.